What's happening, everyone? It's Peter here, and I want to hit you up with another quick money tip. This one is called the side hustle free vacation strategy. So, what this is thinking about picking up a simple, flexible side gig, but only until you earn enough money to pay for a specific goal, like a weekend getaway, or a tech upgrade, or a special experience. This way, you fund fun things guilt free and without dipping into your main budget. For example, let's say Mike wanted a $1,200 trip to Hawaii, but didn't want to drain his savings. He delivers for DoorDash 2 nights a week for 3 months, earning about $100 per weekend. By the end of the quarter, he had his entire trip covered without touching his main income. So why does this work? This prevents financial guilt, keeping savings intact, and adds extra cash towards fun goals, making them feel even more rewarding. And the nice thing is, because they're temporary, you don't feel like you're in a cycle of overworking. And if you really find something that you like, you might just stick with it or use it the next time. So hopefully that helps. I'll see you later.